Yashodhan Agritourism is 80 kilometers from Pune, which offers unique activities. You can come here on a day trip from 10 am to 6 pm, which includes meals and activities at just rupees 1050 per person, or enjoy all these activities with a staycation starting from 2500. You start your day with a wine tour to India's oldest and first winery, Chateau in Dji. Did you know? Wine industry in India was started by a Maratha named Sham Chaugule in 1980s. Our guide, Mr. Jeetu, explained us winemaking process in detail, which was quite insightful, followed by wine tasting. Later, we visited the farms and were thrilled to notice how veggies, fruits grow and what all goes in farming. We then went on a motorbike to dairy farm and got to know different species of cows which produce milk, and the fact that consumption of desi cow milk is the best compared to others. On our way back, we tried our hands in the pottery and failed miserably. It looks easy but is extremely difficult. All these activities sound exciting to you? So when are you planning to visit Yashodhan?